Okay, good afternoon. I am Second Lieutenant Jeffrey Angelo L. Flores, 2nd Platoon Leader, Charlie Company, 20th Infantry Battalion. Today we have conducted air assault operations, and it greatly simplifies how the Philippine Army is incapable of doing such things. These things like this is really helping us in building our combat abilities. Today we have conducted the air assault operation, which is a mix uh, air and ground operation. We are being picked by the UH-1 helicopter and then dropped into the objectives. And then after we rode on the helicopter, we start shooting targets and eliminate them. We learn about troop insertions using the UH-1 helicopter, and then starting engaging targets in a pre-designated area. The exchanging of military ideas is a big thing to consider for us to know how the U.S. Army conducts military operations like this. The exercise Balikatan is a combined armed forces, both the Philippines and the U.S. Army, conducted here in the Fort Magsaysay to make these two nations combat abilities ready for any type of combat operations. In this type of training, we are exchanging ideas which is not which are not have taught to us by our own schools, and this time we have learned a lot from others from other counterpart